All right, good morning, guys. And today is 4/18, and this is a quick review about the technical analysis we did when we talk about correction. Now, one thing, and I want you to pay attention, is my short watch list. Okay, on my short watch, these are the coins that I plan to short in the next coming bear market. And Dogecoin is the only one in green right now, but Dogecoin start retracing since yesterday. It's not a problem here. The point that I wanted you to pay attention, guys, is all the confluence zones are reacting, and we're gonna try to go through them real quick. Now this is for Neo, and we are in a monthly time frame. This is for Neo monthly time frame. This entire zone right there between $91 and $190 is a confluence zone, especially this zone right there. Okay, so in a bull market that already almost like 2 years old, I think it's more than 2 years old, if as an asset, Neo never fully recovered from the top of $200 and something. So this is the biggest challenge of Neo, and I don't see Neo going through that, because Neo gonna need lots of volumes and a lot of bull willpower to go through that zone. The same thing we had with Bitcoin Cash. As you can see, this is another confluence zone. Now these are some of coins that I selected based on my personal criteria for the next bear market, but it's almost the same thing everywhere in the market. So you have a big confluence zone here, and especially powerful somewhere here, and these zones, they will almost always react, and the bull will need lots of volume, lots of energy to go to that zone. Same thing for Litecoin. I had a friend, he asked me, we had a bull one lately, but what happened is that Litecoin, the Litecoin confluence zone that I probably showed you between $272 and $252, this entire zone right there is extremely bearish. And in order for the bull to win, I didn't say that previously, but I'll tell you, is if we manage to open and close a candle over that confluence zone, and that we need lots of energy to make this happen, especially on those shitcoin right there, the way we call them, or coin with very bad fundamental. So these coins, these are the coins that they are struggling to recover from the last bear, and in order for them to make that recovery, that full recovery, that will be the sign of a reversal on their major trend, they will need lots of bull energy, and I don't see this happen. And we already really far from the beginning of a bull market, so I'm not really optimism about this coin. So same thing for XRP. These are on my list, and if you have your bear list, you can just go ahead and look for confluence zones too. And all you can see, we did came very close to $2, and then boom, a reaction. So this is the most powerful point. That's a big bearish zone. That's a big selling. There's a big selling pressure here. And this is not just this coin that I'm showing you here. It's all over the entire crypto market. So this is the biggest challenge of the bull. Some coin already recover. This is not the case. And some of you will say, why Dogecoin is there? Dogecoin, there's a very specific reason is there, and there's also a reason why Dogecoin is still green. Same thing, you can go ahead. Now this is Ethereum Classic, one coin that I plan to short in the next bear market. Right there, nice rejection in the confluence zone. Same thing for almost every coin that still on my list now. What else do we have to pay attention here? This might lead to cool off of the bull run. So honestly, all we have to do here is wait. We were expecting that correction. Now we need to wait for signs of reversal. We need to wait for signs that tells us that the bulls are trying to regain control, or the bulls just regain control. But so far, this is a correction, and I did expect it to happen anywhere between yesterday, Friday, until May the 10th. So it's just the beginning of it. I think that we're gonna have to wait that we get a clear sign that the correction is done, so that we know, do we re-enter or do we wait more to see if it's not the beginning of the bear market. Okay, so guys, that's it for the review about this particular subject. Make sure you follow make sure you join the server Virtual Bitcoin, where I only trade cryptocurrency there. Alright guys, have a good one. Take care. Bye.